Hello and welcome to the online viewing for 58 Listowel Road. This lovely 2-bedroom bungalow has off-road parking to the front, space to the side, as well as garden to the rear. And there's also no chain with this property. Okay, and then moving into the property, we've got the hallway here leading through to the main area of the bungalow, and then we've got the entrance here with the lobby, which leads to a separate toilet and also houses the Worcester gas-fired boiler. Just looking back as well, there is a bay window to the front which provides some nice natural light. And then just on the right hand side we have the kitchen here. Has an integral double oven, a gas hob, built-in cupboard and space for a fridge freezer, and then there's a door which leads out to the side of the property. And then we've got the living room on the left hand side. Nice spacious room with 2 windows to the side, 1 larger window to the front aspect. And then we have 2 bedrooms. The first one just here, again, really good size. Window overlooking the rear garden. And we also have the second bedroom, which leads out to the lean-to, and then just across we have the bathroom here, which has a panel bath with a shower above, low level WC and pedestal wash basin. And then from the second bedroom, this leads through to the lean-to, where there is access out to the rear garden, as well as into the garage at the side. And then moving outside to the side of the property, we can see the 2 garages here. Which provide useful storage space. And then we have the 2 electric up and over doors which lead back out to the driveway at the front. And then we've got this area here at the side with a storage shed. And then we have a small gate which goes through to the rear garden, where we have a paved patio section, and then a few steps which lead on to the main lawn garden area. And that concludes the online viewing for the property. So if you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, please contact us at the office, and we hope to speak to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.